Can I install Office 365 myself? My name's Andrew from Prompt, and we're Microsoft Gold partners. The straightforward answer to your question is yes, you can install Office 365 yourself. But here's something I would like you to think about if you are thinking of installing Office 365 yourself. You don't know what you don't know. You've not been trained to install Office 365. And unfortunately, we've come across many examples where companies or other IT companies that aren't trained in it have gone and installed Office 365. And what we've tended to find is they don't understand some of the real benefits of setting up Office 365 professionally, properly. We've seen some occasions where data has been missed, where they're actually slowing down the way that they work, and they're not feeling all the benefits for Office 365. They find it slow and cumbersome. But when it gets installed by a professional Office 365 installer, you get all the benefits. You're being trained correctly on how to use it. You don't actually see any difference from the way you were working to the way that you work in Office 365 now. So although you can do it yourself, it's very time consuming when you don't know how to do it. I drive a car, as I'm sure you drive. Would you actually dream of getting underneath the bonnet and figuring out how to service your own vehicle? Or even how to build that car? Probably not. So why do you think that you could do Office 365 the same justice? I would suggest that you find someone who is used to doing Office 365 installations, and they will do it much more efficiently, much faster, and much more cost effectively than the time it will take you to try and figure out how to install Office 365. If you want to discuss it in further detail or want to know more about Office 365, then either please watch the other videos or give us a call and we'll have a very sensible chat about it. Thank you for listening. That's Andrew from Prompt.